Hey guys, welcome to another video. I just woke up. I woke up at my new place, so I moved, but I'm gonna tell you guys all about that on another video. I just woke up now and I decided, you know what, let me just vlog. So I am getting ready to go to work, but first I'm gonna get ready, obviously do my hair, go to the letting office, do my fingerprint access so that I have access to the building because security keeps on letting me in. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the letting office, get my fingerprint sorted out, and then once that is done, I'm gonna go to Mr. Price home, get a few things because we had a secret Santa at work, mini event, a gift exchange ceremony actually. So we're gifting each other. So my secret Santa decided to get me Mr. Price home voucher. So I am going to be splurging. I'm gonna be spending that. So that's if I make it on time. That's if I make it on time. So because I work in Senton, I'm just gonna go to the one in Senton and they have beautiful things there. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. But before Mr. Price, it's going to be letting offers clicks because I need to get hair products because I look like Travis Scott. I'm gonna go there, get a few hair products. Once that is done, take a taxi to work, get to work, do Mr. Price, and then to the office. Nothing bougie really. And then once this place is set up properly, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks because the bedding is not yet. It's not even set. I haven't even put on the bedding. I just washed it because it was dusty during the whole move and something pissed me off really during the whole moving thing. I think the movers dropped my fridge. I don't know what happened to my fridge, but it's not cooling down. It's not cooling. Yeah, it's not cooling. So someone told me that I should try increasing or decreasing the temperature. It's not working. So some people were telling me no, it could be that the gas ran out, and then they asked me how long have I had the fridge for, and I've had it for quite some time. So I'm gonna have to get someone to put gas on. But now I was advised that a man needs to be present when they're putting the gas on because those guys are gonna take advantage of me because I'm female and I'm this young. So email you and I really don't know. So let me just go brush my teeth, bath, get dressed, do my hair, go to the letting office, go to Clicks, go to Mr. Price, go to work. Dang, that sounds like a task. And I will literally have two and a half hours to do all this. But crossing fingers. I'll tag it out. Because I mean, it's not a train smash really. I'm just, okay, let me not blab. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm so sorry for being gone for a long time. That place was depressing me. The lighting was just not doing it. Like, I recorded content and I had to delete it because I didn't like it. The quality, I didn't like it at all. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I come back from work. Yeah, because I want to show you guys how this place looks. I really like it, you guys. And it's not far from where I lived. This one is in Maboning, literally in Maboning. The way groove happens. But one thing about me, I have self-control, so I'm gonna be okay. Okay, that's enough. I'll see you guys. And before I go, if you're not subscribed, child, please do subscribe. And if you're new to the family, welcome to the family. Really do appreciate it. And the OGs, guys, in Salandoni, like, what do you guys drink? It's the festive season. Talking about festive season. It's fine. So I'm gonna tell you guys when I'm back home, and that's probably gonna be like very late, but it's fine because the light is proper. So I'm gonna sit down and talk to you guys. So.
Partners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. Just the peas. Drop the data, now we plotting. Inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Pushing P. I'm pushing P. I'm capital P. I write the president. Count presidents. Pushing P. P's on her knee.
Okay, my hair is all done. And we might be running late. Okay, my hair is all done. And now I'm gonna head out, do my fingerprint, go to Clicks, then go to Mr. Price, and then work. Yeah, one thing about me, I believe in this dress more than I believe in myself. Guys, can you please buy me dresses? Like, I just came to a realization that I like bodycon dresses, I Nashem and edges. This was the period pimple, but my periods are almost over, is what it is. And yeah, we look good. We look good. Now let's go. Then I'll see you guys when I see you. That's gonna be when I come back from work. That's if there won't be load shedding, because one thing about ESCOM, Spillis is my boost, but that's fine. I'll see you guys, and
we did it again. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they're waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul. Just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I want to hear you say, you don't run from nothing.
guys, I just got to work. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Yo, Lydia Stevens on a Saturday really is not the life I want for myself. Not me almost bloody takes to the drivers. Special breed. Bye.
But these niggas let me deal, yeah. Hey, oh, they do it. I ain't fall off, I just ain't release my news. I blew up, man, everybody trying to sue me. You call me Nas, but the hood call me Doobie. And this one is for the champions. I ain't lost since I began. Funny how you said it was the end. You know we did it again. I told you long ago on the road, I got what it is.
So late.
Get your soul, just tell them ain't lay low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over. My track record's so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late, cause I'm here to stay in these girls.
Good morning, guys. It is day 2. It's the following day actually. I couldn't vlog yesterday after work because I got occupied. Like, there was a lot that I had to do. I had to wash my bedding. I had to do a lot of things, clean the house and put a few things away. I got glasses from Mr. Price. I'm gonna show you, and then once that is done, I'm just gonna show you what the place looks like, and then we'll take it from there. Yeah. So, I don't know why they gave me a big plastic bag, because it's just 4 glasses. Oh, so this is the message that was on my card. My secretary was my manager. So she said, little message, I hope you get something cute that reminds you of me. Merry Christmas and many blessings. I received. So, something cute that's gonna remind me of her. My manager is busy as hell, so I bought these foods. And I like that the label is here, because I don't want it on the body, because why would it be there? It's gonna be impossible for me to wash it off. Unlike Pep, but actually Pep doesn't think, it's not considered, they're inconsiderate. So I got 2 of these. Love them so much. You should have seen how careful I was with them yesterday on my way from the store and from work, because I didn't want them to break. It was like, whoever breaks my glasses, I'm catching a case. Definitely catching a case. Guys, is this not cute? And it's 69 rands each. And the gift voucher was like 300 rands, because that was our budget. So I got these ones as well. I'm so excited. I'm glad that I got them in pairs, because I didn't do my glass one, and then say maybe I have a versatile, and then I want to do a boomerang, and then now they're holding a crooked glass, and mine is bougie. Couldn't do that to myself. This was 69 rands. But I think they're cheap actually, because at Checkers you get 2 for like 300 rands. 2 wine glasses for 300 rands. And this is the last one. Oh, guys, I love these glasses. Whoever breaks them, I'm breaking their neck because what the hell. And then I'm just gonna wash them because they'll be dirty. Ouch. Yeah, that's pretty much what I got. I'm gonna wash these, put them away. Once that is done, I'm just gonna sweep, mop the floor, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the place roughly looks like, and then we'll see what we're gonna do after that. I'm trying to remove the sticker, but I'm gonna be able to wash it off. That's one thing I know for sure. I can't wait to use these. I really cannot wait. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you once everything is set. I'm gonna give you a mini tour. This one was easy. Why didn't they use this one? Hey, retail stores. They could have easily used the same branding like the previous one. And just left because I suit it obviously. This is me again. I've decided what I'm gonna do. I've finally decided what I'm gonna do. I am gonna dress up, get out of this house, go downstairs. Well, next door. My coffee shop is literally next door now. I'm so happy. I will go to the coffee shop, grab a meal. I can't eat in the morning, and it's only 8 a.m. now. I don't know why I woke up that early. I'm gonna go there, have coffee and a crunchy. I'm gonna have coffee and the crunchy, and then after that I'll see if I can go to ShopRite Liquor because they have ShopRite Liquor here. ShopRite Liquor, get a bottle of wine if I can, if it's open actually, because I can. If it's open, get a bottle of wine, and yeah, I'll take it from there. And if there's a store open, I'm gonna get myself a dress because it's Christmas. I'm gonna get myself a Christmas dress because when I look good, I'm gonna feel good. Yeah. I don't know. I really don't know. Hey, like get an end. Let me just go bath and then I'll do that, and then I'll take you guys with me. I'll try. I was late, Isola. That's why I couldn't take you guys with me, especially when I went to Mr. Price. Oh, Mr. Price, big wish because I had to go to work, clock in, so literally had like 30 minutes, so I couldn't do much really. And filming is a whole lot. It's time consuming, but yeah, I'll do my best. Yo, my hair. We'll talk about it in a minute, but they need to be washed. So I got back from, I went to the coffee shop. It was closed because it's Christmas. The stores are closed. The only thing that was open, liquor shop and the actual shop, right? What else? The butchery. So I got a few things. So I bought a few things that I'm gonna be using today to cook. But how cute are my glasses? How cute are my glasses? No one is gonna be drinking out of these glasses except for me. Please, I don't want drama. I don't, no. I did buy a lot of things because my fridge is still not fixed. I don't know when I'm gonna fix it, but yeah, this is pretty much it. Yeah, cheers to you guys. So as you enter, that's the door, and then this is how it looks the minute you enter the door. This is my little kitchenette. I need to wash those in the sink, don't mind them. Yep, those are my cute glasses. I don't know if I'm gonna take the microwave, put it up there, because I wanna put my mini wine rack there because I'm getting a wine rack soon. They have a 3-plate stove. There's space here for my TV. I'm gonna put a TV there, but for now I'm gonna be using a projector for the time being. I need to get rid of that because it's broken. I'm not gonna use it anymore. And this is my mini lounge. I'm gonna put another plant there. I'm thinking of getting a snake plant, and then I'm gonna put the snake plant there, and I'm gonna put some paintings at the top so that it doesn't look too plain, but I'm gonna do all that bit by bit, and then once the place is put together, I'm gonna show you guys the complete going on. Then this is my bathroom. They have a bathtub, same as the place that I was in, and that's my mop and little bin there, broom, because I was cleaning. And don't ask me why there's a picture there, because Slow already asked me that question. And you have a mirror here. Just put a few things that I've been using frequently. They also have this thing. There's a rail to hang your clothes or towels. She decided to do laundry and don't want to go outside and hang them here. I don't have a dryer, so I use washing lines. So it's convenient for me whenever, or should I wash clothes at night, just gonna hang them up here. And as you continue, that's my bedroom. There's a door, decided to keep it open so that the light can go all the way other side. And that is me in my pajamas. I hardly wear pajamas, but that's fine. And that's Mona. And yeah, it's too small, but it's whatever really. And those are my shoes that I wear frequently. I need to get a shoe rack. I don't know what I'm gonna put there. I'm probably gonna put a mirror or get a cute side table, because that's not a table. And that's my bed. That's my bed. I'm gonna get a cute side table there, because that's not a table. And this is the book that I'm reading at the moment. And yep, what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like, or what it looks like outside. Yo, like there's a whole lot of space here. Do you see from my bed to the, I'm gonna get a shoe rack, and then I'm gonna put the shoe rack there, or I'm gonna put the shoe rack here and use that. Have a little cute space for sit downs, because I don't think I'm gonna film them in the living room. Then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like outside. And that is what I see from the outside. Yeah, pretty much it really. That's what I see in the morning, during the day, but at night, child, I don't see shit. I don't see shit, but yeah, that's pretty much it.